Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice in a bag. First, choose your preferred type of rice that comes in a boil-in-bag format. These convenient bags are designed for easy preparation, taking the guesswork out of measuring. You'll need a medium-sized pot and enough water to fully submerge the rice bag. This method is incredibly straightforward, perfect for busy weeknights or when you need a quick side dish. Once your water is boiling, gently place one rice bag into the pot. Make sure the bag is completely submerged in the water for even cooking. Let it boil for about 10 to 12 minutes, or follow the specific instructions on your rice bag's packaging. Cooking times can vary slightly depending on the rice type, so always check for doneness. This hands-off approach allows you to focus on other meal preparations. After the cooking time, carefully remove the hot rice bag from the pot using tongs. Be cautious as the bag will be very hot. Allow any excess water to drain completely from the bag. Then, place the bag on a plate or cutting board, carefully cut it open, and gently fluff the rice with a fork. This separates the grains, making it light and airy, ready to be served with your favorite meal. Here are a few extra tips for perfect rice every time. Avoid overcooking, as this can make the rice mushy. You can also add a small pinch of salt to the boiling water to enhance the flavor of your rice. This simple method is a fantastic way to enjoy perfectly cooked rice with minimal effort. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.